Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Renault Captur, a compact crossover that's redefining style, practicality, and technology for urban drivers and adventure seekers alike. Let's explore what makes this model a standout in a highly competitive segment. First up, the design. The 2025 Captur takes sophistication to a whole new level. The front fascia features a bold new grille and sleek LED headlights, giving it an aggressive yet polished look. From the side, sculpted lines and prominent wheel arches emphasize its dynamic stance, while the rear sports elegant taillights and a sharp roof spoiler. It's a design that screams modern urban chic. Step inside, and you'll find a refined, luxurious cabin. The dashboard has been completely reimagined with a minimalist vibe, premium materials, and soft-touch surfaces. At the center is a massive touchscreen infotainment system that controls everything from navigation to climate settings. Plus, Renault lets you customize the interior to suit your style, adding a personal touch to your ride. When it comes to technology, the Captur doesn't hold back. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. Optional extras like a head-up display and a 360-degree camera make driving safer and easier. Under the hood, there's something for everyone. The Captur offers a range of powertrains, from turbocharged gas engines to mild hybrids and plug-in hybrids. Whichever you choose, you're guaranteed a smooth, responsive ride, perfect for weaving through city streets or tackling weekend getaways. Facing rivals like the Nissan Juke and Volkswagen T-Cross, the Captur holds its own with a winning mix of style, functionality, and tech. Whether you're a young professional needing a chic commuter or a family seeking a versatile crossover, the 2025 Renault Captur is worth a serious look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car reviews. See you in the next video. Automobile Sparkles.